Guys, how are you? Hope you are well. Today I want to show you how to install a piston into a cylinder block. Okay, today I want to show you how to install a piston into a cylinder block. Now this system is same for every cylinder block that you see, whether it is for a car or whether it is for a motorcycle. Okay, the procedure is the same. Okay, so let me show you. So this is the piston. Comes with rings. Now before installing, look at this area. I don't know whether you see it properly. Look at this area. The ring gap must be like this. Okay, the top one ring and top two ring, both of the rings, when inserting into the block, those rings must be arranged like this. Then only the cylinder, then only the piston will go inside. Okay, so let's do it. Take this piston, put it in here. Now you see, if you press this piston, this will not go in, so you have to arrange it in this way. As I have shown you the ring gap before, you see, like this. Press these two rings, the second one and the first one. Press them like this while holding them, then do like this, then press it. Okay, so here you see how smooth it went inside. So this is how you do it. Let us take it out again and let me show you again the second time. Those pistoning must be like this. Okay, press the first ring, then insert it. Then again you do the same thing with the second one. See, so that's how you do it. Okay brothers, if you like this video, please comment, like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. I'll try my best to answer you. Thank you.